Good morning students. I hope everyone is going well. And now let's start our science class. We were reading chapter number 6, the green plants. Till now we have read that most of the earth's surface it is covered with plants that are green. Why they are green? They are green due to the presence of a substance that is called chlorophyll. So that is the green substance. That is why plants they look green to us. So now we were on the topic that how do plants prepare their food. Plants they are called the producers. Why they are called the producers? Because they prepare their own food. They do not depend on others for their food. So they prepare their own food with the help of the chlorophyll. So the main raw material, the ingredients that they require for making food are light, water and air. And from where these raw materials they are coming? Water they get from the soil, light it is coming from the sunlight, carbon dioxide that we are exhaling, that animals, as we require oxygen to survive, oxygen हम लेते हैं and what do we give out? That is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide that plants are taking from us. वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो हम रिलीज करते हैं दैट प्लांट्स लेते हैं उसे एंड देन दे मेक फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. देन दे गिव ऑक्सीजन in place of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide they take, oxygen they give out. So till now we have read about this ki raw materials they require, from where they are coming. We are on page number 68. Open 68 page number of your book. Now what we are going to study? How do leaves make food? We have read up to first 3 points till carbon dioxide is taken in through stomata. Now rest second part of this topic. After the food is prepared, oxygen is given out through stomata. The stomata perform the following important functions for the plant. They take in and give out air. They remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis from the plant. Now beta what happens? We know that plant it takes carbon dioxide, light is coming from the sun and water is taken from the soil. So with the help of these raw materials plant is making its own food. So after the food is prepared then oxygen is given out through the stomata. Now जो plants हैं वो release करेंगे oxygen कहाँ से? Through the stomata. Stomata these are the pores that are present underside of the leaves. Leaves के नीचे present हैं. So oxygen is given out through this stomata. Now what are the main functions of stomata that we have already read? They take in and give out air. Take in means plants they take in carbon dioxide to prepare food. So carbon dioxide भी किसके through अंदर जाती है? Through the stomata. And they give out oxygen that is also coming out through the stomata. They remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis from the plant. What is photosynthesis? The process of preparing food by the plants is called photosynthesis. जो process होता है खाना बनाने का by the plants that is called as photosynthesis. So after the photosynthesis is over, जो photosynthesis हो चुकी है, खाना बन चुका है by the plants, then स्टोमेटा क्या करता है उसके बाद? एक तो वो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं, then after that they remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis from the plant. So stomata they also release water vapors. You must have seen small droplets of water on the leaves, present on the leaves, that are water vapors that are coming from the stomata. जो stomata से बाहर आते हैं, that are the water vapors. So what is the function of stomata? Stomata it let in air and let out air. ऑक्सीजन को अंदर लेके जाते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को लेते हैं, ऑक्सीजन को बाहर निकालते हैं. And stomata it also releases water vapors from the leaves. The process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food called photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? It is a process by which the leaves of a plant they use sunlight को use करके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर दोनों को किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं? फूड में. That is called photosynthesis. फोटो मीन्स लाइट, सिंथेसिस मीन्स टू पुट टुगेदर, टू पुट टुगेदर मीन्स किसी चीज़ को बनाना, जोड़ना. सो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट दे आर मेकिंग फूड, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, दैट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. Next topic is use and storage of food by plants. Now food is totally prepared by the plants. Now where that food is used and where it is stored in plant, now that we will read. Use and storage of food by the plant. The food prepared by the process of photosynthesis is called glucose. The stem and branches of the plant take the prepared food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. The plant uses some of this food for its daily activities and stores the extra food as starch in its different parts. हाँ जी बेटे, the plant it prepares food in the presence of sunlight and it prepares food in the form of glucose. जो खाना बनता है प्लांट के द्वारा that is glucose, उसे बोलते हैं ग्लूकोज. that is sugar, शुगर की फॉर्म में बनता है. now where is that food used? now that food is used by the plant for its daily activities. जो डेली एक्टिविटीज़ प्लांट में हो रही हैं, फॉर ग्रोथ, फॉर एनी हार्मोनल चेंज, जो भी चेंजेस हो रही हैं प्लांट्स में, उसमें वो खाना यूज़ होता है. लाइक वी डू डेली एक्टिविटीज़, देर आर एक्टिविटीज़ इन प्लांट्स ऑल्सो दैट दे डू, सो दे ऑल्सो रिक्वायर एनर्जी एंड फॉर दैट एनर्जी द फूड दैट दे प्रिपेयर दे यूज़ दैट फूड. सो they use that food to do their daily activities, and we know that food it is prepared in the leaves. food prepare हुआ है leaves में. and how it will go to other parts of the plant? it will go to other parts of the plant through the stem and branches और stem के through वो बाकी parts को जाएगा leaves से, from the branches to other parts of the, सारे parts को जाएगा खाना. so it will be used for its daily activities, जो भी वो daily activities होती हैं plants में उसमें use होगा. and the rest food that is left, जो खाना बच जाता है after utilization, that food it is stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plant. the food that is prepared, that is glucose, that is in the presence of form of glucose. now the food that is left unutilized, that is not utilized in the daily activities, that will be stored in the form of starch. वो starch की form में store हो जाएगा in different parts of the plant. so this is how the food prepared by the plant it is used and stored in plants. it is used in daily activities. it is prepared in the form of glucose is also called sugar. and the food that is left unutilized, जो बच जाएगा, that will be stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plant, maybe in the leaves, stems, branches, anywhere it is stored. so that is this. next is our activity to test for starch. what I have told you, what is starch? this is the activity that is shown, in your book. to test for starch, how can we test that the food is stored in the plant? वो starch के form में फिर store हुआ है, हम कैसे test कर सकते हैं कि starch is present over there in any food part of the plant? so how can we test it? that is a very simple test. whenever the school will open, we will perform this practical to test for starch. what do we need? वी नीड पोटैटो, एक पोटैटो लेना है हमने, 1 ड्रॉपर iodine solution, main is the iodine solution. Now how will we perform it? Slice a potato into 2 pieces, put a few drops of iodine solution onto the cut side. Observation: the iodine solution turns the color of the potato bluish black. Conclusion: this shows that potato has a lot of starch stored in it. To be performed under the adult supervision. Now what is the procedure to perform this practical? Take 1 potato, cut it half, cut कर लो यहाँ से. Now take iodine solution, ये इसका हाफ पार्ट है. Potato, this is potato. Take iodine solution, put a few drops of iodine solution on the cut part. यहाँ पे डालो iodine solution को, जो उसका sliced part है, cut किया, हाँ सेंटर वाला पार्ट है उसमें. When you will add iodine solution on the potato, what will happen? The color of the potato will change into bluish black. Bluish black हो जाएगा वो. This will show that starch is present in potato. But what is starch? Starch is usually of white color. You must have seen when you wash peeled potatoes in water, the water it turns white color. That is a starch. Maximum starch is present in potato. उसमें होता है potato, that is a white color. White color में जो पानी change हो जाता है जब potato को wash करते हो, that is a starch. So when you will add iodine solution on the cut part of the potato will turn bluish black. This shows that starch is present in potato. If you want to check starch in any part of the plant or any other food item, you can test like this. वो food item लो, add few drops of iodine solution on it. If it turns bluish black, then it means that starch is present in this. This test it is also used to check the adulteration in milk. मिल्क में जो अडल्ट्रेशन होती है, मिलावट की जाती है स्टार्च की, टू मेक द मिल्क थिक, उसको थिक बनाने के लिए. सो टू चेक डैट कि उसमें स्टार्च है या नहीं है, दिस टेस्ट इज यूज्ड, आयोडीन से टेस्ट. सो दिस इज द सिंपल एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट विल परफॉर्म इन स्कूल ऑल्सो. सो टू टेस्ट फॉर द स्टार्च, if you want to test starch in any food item, you have to do the iodine test. Put few drops of iodine solution on that food item, and if the food item it turns bluish black, it means starch is present in that food item.